Yo guys, welcome to our channel. So today we have got the new Apple HomePod, and as you can see it's equivalent to the Echo Studio, and we have got it during the Flipkart's Big Billion Days. So let's go ahead and unbox this. We actually peel off this top and it reveals the Apple HomePod. So it's actually a sliding mechanism. So here is the Apple HomePod Black. So it's pretty heavy. It looks like the Echo Studio, and so I'm gonna set it here. And as you can see how big it is and how fat it looks, and so the speakers is actually very good on this device. So now I'm going to configure this HomePod. So I started my configuration on the HomePod. So the configuration on the HomePod has begun. Moonlight kind of thing showed, and now it's gone. An iPhone is mandatory for this, so need to turn on the Bluetooth and place the iPhone near the HomePod, and immediately it gets detected. And so I started the setup. So what room? I chose living room, and they're asking some personal request, and I started using the personal request on this iPhone. So they also add me the Siri and the terms and conditions, the accounts and settings. So, and I started to transfer my settings. Then I place the HomePod in the center of the iPhone's frame. Then immediately it starts detecting and starts setting up. So guys, it might take 1 to 2 minutes to get configured. Yes, so I'm asking Siri a lot of things, and Siri is replying to my answers currently right now. And it's a very good audio quality on this device. And so it's a display. We look like they are buttons, but they are actually not. They are the display. And see, I am increasing the sound, and the audio quality is becoming very awesome. And now I start decrease because it was too loud. And now the HomePod has been officially configured by this particular iPhone 7. So HomePod is a very good device, I must say. And Siri is also responding to me quite well. So here's some music, and I'm not playing it because there might be a copyright issue in this video. And I'm continuously asking Siri a lot of questions and a lot of songs to play. So Siri is getting a little frazzled, and yeah, it's a very good device, and I think it's worth 15 grand buying this. And it's actually a very I have no words. It's so much good. That's why I have no words to say. I'm speechless actually. So I'm checking the size of this, and when it's an iPhone 7, it's quite taller than an iPhone 7. And here's the Amazon Alexa Echo Dot, that is a version 3, and it's just very small than the Apple HomePod. So hope you enjoyed my video guys, and stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.